Right, let's do these questions together. So question A, we are raising a product to a power. So this is the product. So what we do, we distribute the exponent. It becomes negative 2 to the power 3 times x cubed times 3. Okay, and then what we get, negative 8 times x to the power 9. Right, and then b we have negative 3a squared b to the power 5, all this raised to the power 4. Again, we distribute the exponent. It becomes negative 3 to the power 4 times a squared times 4. We're distributing this exponent like this, and then times b to the power 5 times 4. Then what you get, negative 3 to the power 4, that is 81. So 81, then a to the power 8, and b to the power 20. Okay, then c, 3x squared times y, then raised to the power 4, plus 2x to the power 4 y squared, all raised to the power of 2. So we distribute the exponent here, becomes 3 to the power 4, then here becomes 2 times 4, the exponent becomes 2 times 4, x to the power 2 times 4, then y to the power 1 times 4, so it's 4. Then plus, take note it's plus there, so it's going to be, here we raise this 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, then x to the power 4 times 2, then y to the power 2 times 2. Right, and then what you get, 81, then x to the power of 8, y to the power of 4, plus 4, then x to the power of 8, y to the power of 4. Then these are like terms. These are like terms, we can add them. So it's 81, x to the power 8, y to the power 4, plus 4, x to the power 8, y to the power 4. So it becomes 85, x to the power 8, y to the power 4. Right, and then we have D. D is just the same like C, but the only difference that here we have multiplication. So it's going to be 3x squared y, all this to the power 4, times 2x to the power 4 y squared, all raised to the power of 2. So this will give us something like this. So which is 3 to the power 4 x to the power 2 times 4 times y to the power 4, then times, then becomes 2 to the power of 2. We're distributing this, and then x to the power of 4 times 2, and then y to the power 2 times 2. Okay, and then what do you get? 81 x to the power of 8, and then y to the power of 4, times 4 x to the power of 8, y to the power of 4. Now we are multiplying here. That's the difference between these two, C and D. So 81 times 4, that is 324. And then x to the power 8 times x to the power 8, we add the exponents. When multiplying powers at the same pace, add the exponents. So it's x to the power 16, and then y to the power 4 times y to the power 4, again add the exponents. So it's y to the power of 8. So that's the answer there. All right, and then let's do the last one. E. We can simplify this, or you can even distribute this. Say 3 squared x to the power 6 times 3 squared times x to the power 6. But you can also let's start by simplifying this. 3x cubed times 3x cubed. 3 times 3, that is 9. Then x cubed times x cubed, we add the exponents, so it's x to the power 6. All this raised to the power of 2. Okay, then plus, these are like terms, we can add them. This one we cannot what, distribute because of these two different terms here in the bracket. So it becomes 6x cubed. These are like terms, we're adding them. 3x cubed plus 3x cubed, 6x cubed, all raised to the power of 2. Right, now this becomes 9 squared, distributing the outer exponent, and x to the power 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 6 squared, then x to the power 3 times 2, which is 6, so it's x to the power 6. 6 squared times x to the power 6, and then which is what? These are different terms, so this is 81 x to the power 12 plus 36 x to the power 6. These are unlike terms, so we leave them as they are. Like I said, this part, I'll just do this part. You could have said, let's distribute 2, and then becomes 3 squared x to the power 6 times 3 squared x to the power 6. See that? And then this is 9 times 9, which is 81. Then x to the power 6 times x to the power 6. We add the exponents, so it becomes x to the power 12, which will give you this. See? So you could have done this in that part.